Our Dashcam tracking application allows you to add and edit users in your account and set permissions based on user roles. Please note, only one user account can be logged into a desktop or mobile device at a time. If you're going to be using both desktop and mobile applications, we recommend creating separate user accounts for each device. To add a new user, first click on Settings and select Users from the drop-down. Next, click on the Add User button. Now enter in the user information, such as first name, last name, email, and user role for the new account you are creating. Fields with a red asterisk are mandatory. If you need more info on user roles and permissions, please visit the link below. Once you are done, be sure to set the user status as active, and then click the Submit button. The new user account will then be created. The new user will receive a welcome email with instructions on how to set up their password for logging in. If you ever need to reset a user's password, simply click the Reset Password button underneath the Action column. You can also manually set a password by clicking the Set Password button. If you need to remove a user, click the Delete button underneath the Action column. To update an existing account's information, click on the Edit button under the Action column. You can also set the user status from active to inactive, which will remove functionality from the account. You can always reactivate the account by setting the status to active at a later date. Once you are done, click the Submit button and the changes will be made.